Hello, my C++ students. So you want me to help you answer the question regarding the crickets. Let's see if I can answer that for you, right? So let's look at the question. The question goes something like this. There is a cricket. Let me share my screen for you. And share. All right. So it says, there is a cricket, which is an insect that chirps faster as it gets hotter. If one counts the number of chirps that this insect makes in 1 minute, it adds 160 to that number and then divides the answer by 4. One gets the approximate temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. In other words, chirps per minute plus 160 divided by 4. Okay, so there's the brackets out here. So we've taken something in English and we've converted it to a mathematical formula. Write a program using functions that reads in the number of chirps per minute. There's your input, and then gives the approximate temperature in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. So they want two functions. The formula for converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius is F, which is Fahrenheit, subtract 32, multiplied by 5 divided by 9. So let's look at the solution. Let's share and grid. So it now says, let's start from the top. So it says we need to enter in the number of chirps per minute. Float, we got please enter the number of chirps per minute. We're starting with the main program, enter in a number. In line number 19, we have a function called approximate temperature, and we are passing across the number of chirps per minute. This takes us to approximate temperature. Let's go to approximate temperature. In approximate temperature, this is a function. The function returns a float value. The name of the function is approximate temp. Number p is a parameter. And it returns number p plus 160 divided by 4. There's your bracket, and it comes from the question. So if I can put the question next to that. Right, so there's the formula and there's the question appearing. Let's now look at the next function. The next function says Celsius temperature. Celsius temperature, we're converting from Celsius. Fahrenheit, Celsius, let's look at it. It says there's a function call again in line number 20. Celsius temperature is equal to temp Celsius. And they're passing across whatever value I got from line number 19. It says in line number 10, temp Celsius is the name of the function. Degree P is the parameter. It returns the formula where we get the question F minus 32 times 5 divided by 9. There we go. Degree P minus 32 times 5 divided by 9. Thereafter, it's simply a matter of displaying the output. Right, the approximate temperature is Fahrenheit temperature and Celsius. So let's break it up. Here's my input. Here's my computation or processing. And here's my, okay, line 23 and 24 simply makes it look pretty. You get 2 decimal places afterwards, all right? So we can say there's my output. And that answers this question. Chirping crickets, which is from lesson 18, exercise 18.3. And stop the recording.